Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna be making a trading video. So I have color swapped and I got these cupid wings, and I've color swapped this one blanket and my flower crown because this is magenta and it's more close to purple, and purple is my favorite color. So yeah. As you can see, I got all of these items, and I did get some beta sofa and and beta wardrobe or beta armor or whatever. So these are the things I have on trade. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to look at these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, those are the items. So let's go to Jamaa Township, where everyone goes to trade. Jamaa Township. Oh my god, there's a glitch. Oh, everyone called Julian too. JK. But I am shocked. That's quite cute. Oh, stop. So I can't. What the heck? Why is that so? Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Okay, anyways, we're gonna have to be trading. So this video is gonna be not that long, so yeah. Let's check YouTube purple or whatever. Oh, he has nothing on his trade list. I'm attempting to trade for a spike. Oh. No. Let's look around. I will be back when I actually find something cool. So I found this person that has a rare spiked orange color. I really want some sort of rare spiked color, so let's try to trade for this. I'm gonna trade 2 den betas for this beta sofa and beta closet. I'm just gonna call it closet. So yeah. Okay. Let's trade the cupid wings. This rare striped color, spiked color, whatever. This tutu. Cat ears. This spike. Okay, be back when I actually decide what I want to trade for this, so this video won't be that long. So I found these. These are rare item Mondays. I found these are some of the other things. These. Oh. So I'm gonna pray to Mira that this works, because the last time it worked, baby. Okay. Done. I was gonna pray. Okay, I pray to Mira. 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 Oh, they declined. So this person, Maya, is trading me these black cupid wings for my pink ones. Okay, let's like. Hello, that is my old friend. That's mine. Okay, that is weird. Oh my god, I wish I had a sea otter. Oh my god, I wish I had a sea otter on. But this video is starting to get too long. Might not be long for you guys, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe. And comment down below what video you want me to do next. Tomorrow I will start to do shoutouts again. See you next time. Goodbye.